Hello guys, thanks for tuning in to Grain Fed. Got a big old cedar on the sawmill today. This thing measures 18 inches on the meat. I have it orientated so that those cracks are on the bottom and off to the side. I'm gonna try to get a 12 by 12 out of it because I need to cut a bunch of 1 by 12s for the guy who owns this property. But I only need about 15 inches to get a 12 by 12, so we're going to definitely get some extra boards out of this. So I've leveled the pith out. This log is completely leveled on the center. And we're going to turn the sawmill on and get working on this log. Nice, pretty stuff. You can't see it that well right now, but I do like how cedar is. It's grain. Lots of ants in this log though. They were getting all over me when I was carrying that flitch away. log is just filled with ants. Nice 1x12s. There's more of that 1x12, probably the last bit. But I want to show you guys that I cut that heart in one board, one 1-inch board. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it that great, but it's towards the top edge of this board. But I got a comment, well actually it was earlier, more like a question about what was the defining point on why I bought a Timber King over the other sawmills. I don't think I gave all the other sawmills a fair shake when I was explaining why I made my choice for the Timber King. Besides the rugged build and all of the other things, the thing that sold me the most was this cutthroat right here, guys. This cutthroat right here is 16 inches high and it is 29 inches wide. And actually it's about a 16 1/4 and 29 1/4 in between these bolts right here. I measured it. So yeah, you can get that distance between that cutting head. And no other sawmills that I could find within this price that had a 23 horsepower motor and everything, that had a cutthroat that was completely unobstructed. I mean, guys, from corner to corner you can get boards in there. A lot of other sawmills, they have a cutoff right here where this belt comes down to drive the wheels and stuff like that, and Timber King did away with that. They wanted to be able to have the full cutthroat available for workspace, and that, my friends, was what sold me on it. So you got the 23 horsepower Vanguard, you got that full unobstructed cutthroat, you got all this rugged build. I think it was worth it for the price. And I got that cool winch that rolls my log up onto the sawmill with those ramps. So that was a little bit extra, but I think all of it is worth it. That's why I bought a Timber King, folks. Well, that's all the work we can squeeze into one day, guys. So until next time, have fun.